Hey, this is Lee Kirby, co-founder of Salute Mission Critical. I wanted to show you the package I got today from NTT. They're announcing the opening of their new data center in Silicon Valley, and they've been sending out press kits. This is what this one looks like.
I'm Doug Adams,
Oh,
and I'm the
that's
president
cool.
and CEO of NTT.
So Doug's saying hi to everybody.
I am absolutely
It's got,
thrilled to welcome you to the grand
I'll
opening.
pause that so it doesn't overcome everything. Got a great cork holder candy dish combo. Got a nice mug in there. Then it's got a rendering of their new data center in Silicon Valley. Now, beauty is in the eye of the beholder, and when I see this, I don't see generators and UPSs. I see jobs for veterans and military spouses. I encourage you, when you're down visiting and doing the tour with Doug and them, that you get a chance to talk to all the veterans that are in that data center. NTT hires a lot. Salute Mission Critical delivers data center services there. Between the two of them, you're bound to hit a veteran anytime you're in the data center. So this is very cool. If you see this, you'll be able to hit pause, get the whole walkthrough of the data center. Bruno's probably coming on next to tell you about the data center. Very class act. Very nice video. Great press kit. Thanks a lot, Doug and team. Hope everything's successful.